The Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV, revealed here as the new luxury car for the German manufacturer's fast-growing EV line, will rival the Audi e-tron and BMW X when it arrives later this year. Like the Mercedes-Benz EQS and Mercedes-Benz EQE sedans, the US-made EQS is based on a special electric vehicle architecture, EVA, platform, which supports single-motor, rear-wheel drive and dual-motor, four-wheel drive layouts. Power for all launch models is provided by a 107.8 kWh battery, the same lithium-ion unit used by the EQS sedan, packed inside the floor to give the luxury SUV a mostly flat floor and what Mercedes-Benz says is the lowest center of gravity. One of its SUV models, at 5,125 mm long, 1,959 mm wide and 1,718 mm high, the EQS SUV is 82 mm shorter, 3 mm wider and 105 mm lower than the Mercedes-Benz GLS SUV. It also has a wheelbase that is 75 mm longer than its combustion engine sibling, which is 3,210 mm, the same as the EQS sedan. The exterior draws heavily on the smooth surface design first made on the 3-year-old Mercedes-Benz EQC SUV and on the newer EQS and EQE sedans. Key styling elements include a blank black panel grille that extends down to the front bumper, optional with star pattern treatment, angled LED headlights, optional with Mercedes digital lights functionality, and horizontal LED light bars across. Leading edge, all of which provide a clear family impact with other EQ models. As on the EQS and EQE sedans, the EQS SUV's clamshell-style hood is designed to be opened only during service, with the filler for the windshield washer integrated into the driver's side front panel. In a departure from the EQS and EQE saloons, the doors are framed. They also have a flush grip as standard throughout the range. A narrow running board will be offered as a study kit, and it is claimed to contribute to aerodynamic efficiency by smoothing airflow along the sides of the new model. The company hasn't revealed the drag coefficient for its new EQ model, though officials say it's the most aerodynamically efficient SUV in its lineup, thanks in part to a completely flat bottom and a sealed tailgate. Like the EQS, the SUV is supported by 4-link front and multi-link rear suspension featuring Mercedes air springs and variable controls as standard. Ride height can be worked up to 25 mm at speeds up to 50 mph, above 68 mph. That height is automatically lowered by 10 mm in comfort mode and 15 mm in sport mode to reduce drag and aid overall efficiency. Mercedes-Benz has confirmed 2 EQS SUV models with 3 powertrains will be available from the start of UK sales. Efficiency for the entry car is pegged between 23.0 and 18.6 kWh, 100 km on the WLTP cycle, providing a suitable range between 333 and 410 miles. The twin motors of the EQS 454 Modich can cover a distance of between 315 and 381 million from a charge. Can be charged up to 200 kilowatts on DC system, from 10 to 80% battery capacity in claimed 31 minutes. Steering angles of up to 4.5 degrees are standard across the EQS SUV range but can be increased up to 10 degrees to lower the circle from 11.9 meters to 11.0 meters. The entry point to the lineup is the EQS 450. It comes in single-motor, rear-wheel drive EQS 450 Plus and dual-motor, four-wheel drive EQS 454 Modich, both with 355 bhp and with 419 pound-feet and 590 pound-feet respectively.